In this video, I will show you how to block websites on Chrome Android. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Play Store into your device and then head over into the search section. Look for block site. So this application will allow you to simply block all of the website that you want to block access from on your device. So make sure to install this application. So you just need to simply add the application name along with the website link to be able to block it from your device. Now, another thing that you can do to be able to block sites on your device is to go ahead and head over to the settings, and then once you're on your settings, go ahead and use the search button to look for private DNS. So go ahead and search for private DNS or DNS in here, and then click on it under results, and then set the private DNS provider hostname to dns.adguard.com. And that is how you can basically block websites on Chrome Android.